Talk Radio. Mondays and Friday, Mondays and Friday. I'm in a hurry, got a million to make. Mondays and Friday, Mondays and Friday. The more I earn, the more the tax man takes. This is the Independent Republican, Mike Graham, Matthew Wright coming up at 1 o'clock, of course. Now, there's been an interesting sort of study done, a little puzzle, in which the best British things have been put into a scene, effectively, and passers-by were tested on whether they thought things were placed on the list of the things that are best about Britain. The video has been made as well, in which more than 2/3 apparently reckon Brits are better at queuing than any other nation in the world. Well, it's not so much that we are better at queuing. I think it's the fact that we are actually the only people who queue, because if you go abroad, basically people don't queue for anything at all, or at least not in the sort of way that we do. But let's talk to Grant Howard, the Royal Butler, because he is the king of etiquette and the man
fucking red light,
who
you
knows more about probably
cunt.
what's great about Britain, perhaps, than anybody else.
Fucking
Grant, a
cunt.
very good afternoon to you. Welcome.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm glad to see in this list has got Mike Graham's radio show as one
What
of
a
the
fucking wanker.
Well, listen, I couldn't possibly comment on that.
You
but I mean,
fuck
look at this.
out, you're
We've
a
got
fuck
buffet
off.
We've got roast dinners. We've got
No.
queuing.
No.
It's hilarious. The royal family, very British. Big Ben, although.
Look at this twat here, look. I'll fucking get out and fucking knock you up, you cunt. Fuck.